Hello, John Clyde here. I'm here to demonstrate our critical path web application, which is part of our project for Ics414. This project was made by three guys, myself, Kurt, and Russell, and together we formed Team Rambutan. I've already launched up the app, and then we can see it being run here already, locally. And when we first launch the app, we'll be presented with a list of projects that's already been inputted, so we already have like some test cases in here. But to start things off, I can start by like adding a new project, like called example. I can click add project and it'll be listed here, and I could start to add activities to it, which are basically like nodes. So for the example I would want to use is the one in Wikipedia for critical path method, and I'll be basing it on this picture. So I'll just start off with I'll start by like inputting all these information already. So duration of 10, and there's no dependencies, and then I could just click add activity. And then I can just follow along with the more descriptions. F, okay. Duration of 20, and the dependencies. Any previously listed node or activity should be already listed in here. So I could just select it from here and then click OK, and click add activity. And if I ever wanted to delete any activity, I could just click on this red button and undo all my work. Yeah. And then however, we've already inputted all this information here, as you can see here. So to demonstrate like an actual test to see if this whole thing actually works, we could go over here and then see that all this is already being inputted which is based off of this picture from Wikipedia. So like node E or activity E has a dependency from D, G, and H dependency of A, G is FC, and so forth, along with their duration. So then if we were to go back and then go into this green button that should pop up the critical path calculation, we'll be presented with this page, which is seems like it's the correct one. So A, B, C, D, E, right, that works out. And along with the total duration, which is 65 days. Earliest, and that works out. So now scrolling down further, we could see the rest of the nodes, which is a topological execution of the critical path test, which is basically all the nodes in a certain order. And it also lists down the earliest start, earliest end, latest start, latest end times, along with the float time. So if it's not part of the critical path, we can see that a float time is being calculated. So like activity G has a float time of 5. We can see it over here. Total float time of F, and that seems correct. So like activity H, float time of 20, and A, it seems to be, everything seems to be working. So that's our app, and thanks for watching.